Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Zoom video conferencing for freelancers step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your computer. Navigate to the Zoom website at zoom.us. Click on the Sign Up, it's free button located in the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your email address and click Sign Up. Check your email for a confirmation message from Zoom. Click on the link in the email to verify your account. You will be redirected to a new page to create your password. Choose a strong password and enter it, then click Continue. Next, fill in your profile information, including your first and last name. Click Continue to proceed to the next step. Zoom will prompt you to invite colleagues or friends. You may skip this step. Once you reach the main Zoom dashboard, locate the Settings tab on the left sidebar. Click on Settings, and then navigate to the Meeting tab. Ensure that Personal Meeting ID is enabled for easier access to your meetings. Scroll down to In-Meeting, Basic, Settings. Activate options such as chat, virtual backgrounds, and video to enhance your meeting experience. Adjust settings for audio by selecting your preferred audio options, like phone or computer audio. Now, return to the dashboard to schedule your first meeting. Click on the Schedule a Meeting button at the top right. Fill in the meeting details, including the topic, date, time, and duration. Choose whether to require a meeting password for added security. Select Save to finalize your meeting setup. To start your meeting, return to the dashboard and click on Meetings. Locate your scheduled meeting and if you need to share your screen, click the Share Screen button on the toolbar. Select the screen or application you want to share and click Share. Finally, if the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.